everyone, and happy October. If you couldn't tell, this ebook talk is all centered around horror. We're getting you ready to get you into that Halloween mood. So these are some books I would highly recommend if you love Halloween. So we have our classic Dracula by Bram Stoker. This is a classic read, and it's a story told through letters. There's vampires, murder, castles. How can you go wrong? It's a really good book to read if you love vampires and if you hate Twilight versions of vampires. The next book we have is The Mist by Stephen King. Stephen King also wrote Misery, Carrie, It, so he's a really good horror writer. You follow a family as they get trapped in a convenience store after a snowstorm, and then they're surrounded by mist, and tensions are high, the violence is almost guaranteed, and you have to figure out which one is worse, the people you're trapped with or the supernatural mist that will most likely kill you. Check it out. We also have The Silver Eyes by Scott Cowden. This is a Five Nights at Freddy's series, and it's also an audiobook. So there's 3 books in this series. This is the first one. So if you like Five Nights at Freddy's, I would definitely try listening to this audiobook. This story picks up 10 years after the murders and follows Charlie, the owner's daughter, and her friends as they explore the newly abandoned pizza place. So if you love playing Five Nights at Freddy's, try the ebook. And then there's this book. It's called There Is Someone Inside Your House by Stephanie Perkins. It is a very CW mystery-like book. So if you like the CW mystery shows, you'd love this book. You follow Makani in landlocked Nebraska. She's adjusting to her new life, has some haunting past in Hawaii, and students in Nebraska start getting gruesomely murdered, and she's trying to figure out what's killing them and how that connects to her past. So if you like any of the CW shows, you'll definitely like this book. And then we have Asylum by Madeline Rowe. So this book uses real photos from real insane asylums and is from the writer that wrote Miss Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. So if you like that book, you'll love this book. And the real question is, would you be able to sleep in a run-down asylum that held criminals and the insane? Check this book out to see if you would be one of those people who could do it. And these books are all on Sora. So go through Clever, log in, and check one of them out.